Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So today again we are starting with the same chapters and everything. It's been New Year. For quite a lot of time, a week and something, I could not find time to pass some educational messages and the strategy that I have always been teaching you into this way of kind of things also. So today was the first thing after the New Year. We had a trading session. As you can see, I do have a Telegram VIP chat and everything. All the links have been down given below into the things. So do let me know, type me there and everything. I'll show you also how was the result for the today also for the Telegram chats and everything. As you can see here also, each and everyone step by steps are teaching, learning, making themselves, having the queries and the darts and everything. So all the links have been given down below on my Telegram channels and everything. So all the links on down to the comment section you can see, and subscribe me, each and everyone. I'll answer them personally also, as you can know it. And so let's start it today also. I'll be teaching you really simple. You don't need to worry about it. It's really simple, really necessary. That basically my concept of having basically teaching you is the step by step, like how I'm making you and understand also. So you need to understand it into a way that you need to understand into a way also, like how it has been step by step and how it has been going also. So I'll let you know also and how it will be there. So let's start step by step with this kind of same thing and everything. So the same thing will be starting it with each and everything. Two indicators, one of the strategies will step by step I'll be teaching you. So let's go start it. We have the balance like around 3,500 and $500 will trade around it also. So the first thing will be starting it with Vortex, and the second one will be starting with Bollinger Bands. Usually I really try to match this kind of things that I wanted to let you know also, and how we can proceed it further also. Step by step I'll teach you also what kind of mistakes we can make it also. I'll try to make you understand even also, even if I lose money and something, but still I'll try to make you understand. The main aim and the main goal is to understand like where we are not only making profit, but what kind of mistakes also we tend to make it, and we can prevent it into a way also. So step by step. So here Vortex, you need to make it 22 styles, you need to make it 2px. Here you need to make it 2px save, and Bollinger Band width you just need to make it 2px also here also. And we need to just save it, keep it everything in defaults and everything. So let's go step by step. Expiration time will keep it 30 seconds. The candle seconds are also 30 seconds, as you can see it. So step by step. So here it was been a deviation here also for the Bollinger Bands, and here also, as you can see it, here it was been a deviation, here it was been a deviation, here also it was been a deviation. So as you can see it, how it has been going it here also. So here one of the things that has been overlapping into a way also, as you can see, when the red has been overlapping the green, and here also you can see it. So here I'll take an upward trade right now. The reason I also took an upward trade right now, because I always said it, because of the overlapping of the red that has been overlapping to the green. So that is the reason here also, as you can see, a slightly deviation spiked also here also for the Bollinger Band. So the two of the indicators have been showing the same kind of things, and it will be pushing up, of course, like as you can see it, how it we can maintain it into a way also, and it has been there. So that is the reason you need to know also, like how we can make these mistakes and this also. So I explained you. For plus 960, this was really good, because I said you how the red was been overlapping the green and how the Bollinger Band also. Now the second one will check it out into a way. Here it was been a deviation, here it was been 1950 a deviation, and here it was been 1948 and everything. So this kind of things here, as you can see, there was not anything. As you can see, the vast deviation from this place to this place, this place to this place also been there. So still it is not a good trade to takers. Here the third one will see it. Here as you can see, here as you can see, the third one, the deviation here also, it has been overlapping. How it has been overlapping from, but here it was been overlapping from downside to upside, but it again overlapped. So this is the reason you need to understand also, like Bollinger Bands, why that somewhere or the other we need to have this kind of things also, and here also we need to understand it. So the both the things that we were making a deviation into a way also, we cannot make it. So this is also not a good trade for us. Let's start it with this. So as you can see, Vortex from upward to downward, as you can see here also, and deviation. So here we'll take a downward trade right now. as I showed you, from upward to downwards, and here also there was been a pick and still it was been going down. So the reason I took here also a downward trade. Now, one of the most specialty, that the thing I wanted to let you know also here, basically for vortex and Bollinger Band, as I always keep telling you guys, like step by step, I have always mentioned you what are the methods, what are the indicators, how you need to make it into a quick way and firm way. I always said it to you. First, this step you need to see it. First, this pullback you need to see it, and plus 960. So this is the thing you need to understand with both the indicators, how we are matching it and making it one strategy. So let's go next. Let's go next up to B. Let's check it out up to B. The coffee seems to keep me awake and each and every time, because I've been working round to the clock also with meetings and back to back. So let's go and check it out. Here also, here, and then you can see a deviation here also with the Bollinger Band. But first of all, we'll check this 1949, and here also we can check it. So this also seems to be a really best trade to take a downward trade right now, because see the whiskers, as you can see the candle whiskers, first, second and third on the form up here. So here as you can see it, and the fourth one also you can see the deviation for the Bollinger Bands, where I'm pointing it right now. Also, that's what I wanted to make you show also. So basically, when you need to understand that what kind of mistake we tend to make it into a way, and that is why I mentioned you into the comments and to the video also, first follow it, that how we can make a mistake here also. So this is the mistake we tend to make it when we see the whisker, but here you can see the deviation, and that is why our trade was not profitable. So first of all, you need to know is that both the indicators should match it into a way, amalgamate it, and then we can make it. So right now I'll show you again. Here as you can see it first, and here also the deviation was there from here to the peak, and here to the peak, and here also. So this was from going from downwards to upwards for the vortex and everything. So here it was been there, but here still we cannot see a deviation for the Bollinger Band. So this is also not a good trade to take ourselves. So here again you can see it here in 1955, and here also it was been down back. So the first thing and the second thing was been pulled back here also, but still we do not see an overlapping. So still will not take a risk for the vortex one. Here overlapping everything from the downwards to upwards, so it's really a profitable downward trade right now, because here also you can see a deviation 1955 also. So this was really a good reason to take a downward trade also. But somewhere or the other, one thing most importantly, you need to understand what kind of mistakes we do it. So from here, when we take from the upward trend, like here as you can see it, how it has been bulging it up, and then again it has been there. But somewhere or the other, some people mistake it when they find a slim plateau for the Bollinger Bands, and they still cannot take it. So as I said it, like you need to have the mismatch and the proper combination of having the trade to take it. So that is what the reason I wanted to let you know also. So here also as you can see right now, still here also as you can see, still it's not a good trade. I'm still showing you how it has been there and mentioned it into a way. So here also again as you can see, there was not been intersection and everything, and still it has been going upward. But still we'll make a mistake right now for here also, as you can see many of the people. So I'll show you how we tend to have this kind of small mistakes also, and can have a profitable trade also. So from here, and again we'll take a downward trade. So this is the reason I again took here also a downward trade right now. So as you can see it right now, for the same kind of Bollinger Bands here and here, as it was been shooting upward side here right now, and the same kind of mistakes here also we can make it, and still here also. So 1.2 point we need to check it, like how I'm checking, and then I took a trade here right now. So 1 point and 2 point we need to check it, 1.2 point, and then we can take it, and it's a profitable trade as you can see it. So plus 960, that's what I wanted to let you know also. So purposely I made a mistake and wanted to let you know, but of course the strategy always works and everything. So do let me know in the comments if you like the strategy and everything. I'll be waiting for your answers, and I'll be waiting for your things. You have my Telegram, you have my YouTube links and everything. It's been given down in the comments. Thank you so much for having your time and patience. I'll see you again very soon. Thank you so much.